In question number 4, it is given that in class 9th you have 30 students. 30 students are given in class 9th and their marks are given in mathematics. The marks are given, they are from 46, 31, 74, 68, 42, 54, 14, 93, 72, 53 and 59, 38, 16, 88, 27, 44, 63, 43, 81, 64 and 77, 62, 53, 40, 71, 68, 68, 50 and 58. These numbers are given and they are saying construct a group frequency distribution of data using the class. Using the class means the class interval has been given to you, and you will have also the find the number. You will also have to find the number of students who secured marks more than 49. जिनके भी नंबर 49 से ज़्यादा हैं, you will have to find the number of students in that case also. So for making the group frequency distribution, you will have to just, your first information is of marks. The first column will be of marks and the second column is for the tally marks and the third column will be of the number of students. Number of students or frequency also you can write, because frequency is the number of repetition. When the number of students are repeating, it means it is showing you the frequency. So they had given you the class interval of 9 numbers. So it will be started from 0 to 9, then 10 to 19, 19 to up to 19 they have included, 20 to 29, then 30 to 39, similarly 40 to 49. While making this table, while making this class distribution, you will have to also see the range of that data. You can see the data is varying from 8. The minimum value of the marks is 8 and the maximum value of mark has been given by 88. It's 77, 38, 88, 59, 93, sorry. The maximum value is your 93. It is your maximum value, it is minimum value, because according to this minimum to maximum you will make the class interval of the marks. So 93 means it will go up to 100. Whatever the nearest possible value near to 100, you will go up to that place. It's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It's 59, 69, 79, 89 and it will be 99, and that 93 will come in between this range. So we will make the class marks up to that values, and you can see they all are as the same, because the common difference is same. You can see the class intervals are also looking similar. Tally marks we will make at the last when we will find out the frequency. Now how would you find the frequency? You can see the number from 0 to 9, only 8 is coming. Other numbers are of 2-digit numbers, so only one number is coming in between 0 to 9. So the frequency of 0 to 9 will be 1. Okay. Now 10 to 19. How many numbers are coming in between 10 to 19? You can check here. The 16 is coming in between and 14. No other any other number is coming in between 10 to 19. Only 2 numbers are coming, so the frequency will be 2. Now see the range 20 to 29. You can check now how many numbers are coming in between 20 to 29. Only 27 is coming in between 20 to 29, so only one number is coming. Similarly, you can see in 30 to 39, when you will check here, 30 to 39, 31 is coming, and one more number should be there, at least 32. Two numbers are coming. We have written in the frequency. Similarly, you will see in between 40 to 49. 40 to 49 is the next range. 40 to 49, how many numbers are coming? That is 1. 40 to 49, 2. 40 to 49, 3. 40 to 49, 4. 40 to 49 is 5. Total 5 numbers are coming in between 40 to 49. Similarly, 50 to 59, when you will count, they are coming the 50 to 59, they are coming 6 number. Similarly, from 60 to 69, they are 6 numbers, you can check here. And 70 to 79, they are the 4 numbers. And 80 to 89, similarly 80 to 89, when you will check it, 80 to 89, 88 is coming and 81 is coming. Two numbers are there. And 99, 90 to 99, one number has been came. You will have to check that how many times the numbers are coming. Now all the frequencies are completed. Let's take a check of it. We will check is it correct or not. So we knew that there were total 30 students, and frequency is the number of students also. So the sum of these frequencies should come 30. Is it coming or not? You can check. 1, 2 is 3, that is 4, it's 5, 6, 6 and 5 will make it 11, 11 and 6 20, 11 and 6 is 17, 17 and 6 is 23, 23 and 4 is 27, 28, 29 and 30. The sum is coming 30. The number of students are same, so our this frequency has been written correct. It is correct. Now we will come to telemarks. For showing frequency 1, only one standing line will be there. For showing 2, two standing lines will be there. For 1, again the one line will be there. For 2, two standing lines will be there. Now we come to 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. In telemarks we can draw maximum 4 lines together, not more than 4. So what will we do for drawing the fifth one? For drawing the fifth one, what we will just cross that line. This slanting line will show you the telefrequency of fifth mark. Okay, so it is 5. It is showing you the fifth frequency. Similarly, in the case of next one, we have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 has been completed now. Now we will come to next 6. This is wrong. You are doing 5 like you have counted 5. No, it will be wrong. First you will have to draw that one. Then you can go to the next fourth group. In the next 6, again you will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, and that is your 1. That is your telemarks. It is showing you the frequency distribution table of the 30 students in a class. This whole will show you the frequency distribution table in the class in number of maths. And the next question they are asking, find the number of students who secured marks more than 49. So you can see that is your 49. So how many students are getting more than 49? So all the students after this. So how many students are there? That is 6, 6, 12, 4, 16, 17, 18 and 19. These are the number of students who are getting more than 49, because up to 49 all the students are here, and after 49 they are these students. So this much, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 students are getting more than 49 marks. Okay, similarly the same question is in the question number 5. You will do it yourself. Okay, be careful about it and do it, and then any problem you have to ask me.